This is soaked dawa. It has been washed and soaked in this container, awaiting grinding in the evening. This is sweet potato, dried sweet potato. You can see. This is germinated rice. It will also be used for the kunu. This is clove. As you can see, this is clove and also ginger. All this gives it a good aroma and scent. All this in preparation for kunu, local kunu, special kunu. These are the ingredients for kunu: germinated rice, clove, ginger, potato, sweet potato, dry potato. You can choose to use fresh potato, but I prefer dried potato, sweet potato. And this is dawa, soaked dawa. You can use either the red one or the white one.